In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover an unsaved document in Microsoft Word. We've all been there. You're working diligently on a Word document, and suddenly, due to an unexpected shutdown or accidental closure, your hard work appears to be lost. But don't worry, there's a way to retrieve those unsaved files, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Let's start. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. This process should work on most versions of Word, so don't worry about having the exact same version. Once you've got Word open, you'll need to navigate to the File tab, which is typically located at the top left of your screen. Clicking on this will open a menu with various options. From here, you want to select Open. This step is crucial because it sets us on the path to finding those elusive, unsaved documents. After you click Open, direct your attention to the Recent section. You may see a list of files you've previously accessed. This is handy under normal circumstances, but for unsaved documents, we need to delve a bit deeper. Carefully look towards the bottom of this list, and you should see an option that says Recover Unsaved Documents. This is the key feature that Microsoft Word provides for situations like these. Click on Recover Unsaved Documents. Once you do this, a dialog box will open. This window is essentially your treasure chest, showing any unsaved files that Word has automatically saved as a safety measure. These files usually have an extension labeled as .asd. It's a reassuring sight, seeing the files available for recovery here. Go through the list and locate the file you are working on. This part might require a keen eye, especially if multiple unsaved files are listed. Select the one you need, and then click Open. Once the file opens and you see your content restored, breathe a sigh of relief, but you're not quite finished yet. It's crucial now to save your document properly to ensure it's not lost again. Head back over to the File tab, and this time select Save As. This lets you save the file under a new name of your choosing, or simply choose a different location than its prior save point, ideally somewhere safe and reliable. After choosing the desired location and entering a suitable name for your file, finalize this step by clicking Save. And there you have it. Your once unsaved document is now successfully recovered and securely saved. Remember, while Word's autosave and recovery features offer a safety net, saving your work regularly remains the best practice. Thanks for joining me, and keep those documents secure.